the Fenty slides. These are size 8.
I know you, I know you, I know.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Mahogany G, and of course I wanted to do a really quick unboxing because I finally got my stuff from Sneakersnstuff. And if you hear any background noises, you know, what can you do? I don't live here. I don't live here alone. So I'm just going to show you a few things. That's my Fenty box. Ooh. And of course you have the paper. You have the bag, the Fenty bag, and the bigger Fenty bag. The reason why I have 2 Fenty bags is because I bought my mom some slides and I know she's probably not gonna use that bag, so I might as well take it. But here they are. Don't they look clean? They look clean. I ain't gonna lie. These are suede. When I looked at the picture, I didn't think they were suede, but I don't know if you guys can tell because the light is a little bit bright. Okay, leather material. I said suede. It's pleather material. As you can see, it looks and feels like real leather, but it's not. It's kind of like a shinier pleather. As you can see, crow top, and you can see that. It's like that. But yes, these are really cool. I can't wait to wear them with my Venus outfit for Rolling Loud. So you guys can, if you didn't check out that big haul, please check it out and you'll probably see the Venus. I said the Fenty box. These are the Fenty slides, and I go way more in depth into them. But here are the Fenty slides. These are size 8. It's a size 8. So yeah, here they are. These are a bit of a darker blue. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. Fenty University. You know? Cheeky Fenty. But then it has Fenty Byriana. Has like, you know, a plastic. It feels a bit plastic, but you know, feels very light. I must say these are some light slides. Of course, these right here are suede. You can see. Then we have the I don't know what this material is called, but they're like iron-on like letters that you see at Walmart or whatever. I'm not saying they're Walmart quality, but like, but yeah, these are cute. And they came with, you know, this hydra here. Of course, I ripped it off because I'm about to give it to my mom in a few minutes. Because, you know, she's here, and you can see. It's cool. It's really, really cute. And I bought these for not $90. I bought these for $50. And like I said, Sneakersnstuff was having their 20% off sale again, which I'm super excited about that. I can't wait. I want to actually get the blue ones and the orange ones because those will look kind of tight with, you know, good little outfit. I didn't really think these were gonna fit me because these are 6.5. Of course, the Fenty bag. Boom, ba, boom, baby. Ever since I saw them, I wanted them, but I was not about to pay $90 for them. Fenty, I love you. If you love me enough, bring me and send me anything for free by the Fenties. I love you, Fenty. But you can see these are Fenty. These are the Fenty slides. There we go. Fenty, Puma. What color are these? I don't know. What do they call them? They call them Bay Puma Silver. Okay. But yeah, you guys can see. I'm trying to be as I do this with 2 hands, bro, with a camera stance. So here they are. They look fresh. Look, yo, Rolling Loud. You better watch out for me. And a girl's coming prepared. See, if I get heels, I'll just slide these on. But yeah, bro, I'm ready for Rolling Loud. It's lit, and I already have everything to packaging, to slides, for my heels. You know what that I am gonna return. Like I said, these were $90, but then they had a sale, and then they had another 20% off of it, so that was $50 total for each slides. The shoes were $101. So yeah, here is the Fenty bag. It's a little dusty. But these are the golden as you guys can see, I thought these letters were going to be black, but they're not. They're green. They're like a forest green with black borders. So this is kind of cool. Like I said, you know, you kind of get like a really sturdy shoe. But these are in size 5, and I have really small feet, so I'm gonna have to change them for size 4. So that sucks. But you know, I will be exchanging them, so it's not really too bad. But I have to wait for them to be exchanged. But like I said, again with the FU slides, Fenty University slides, these are green. Oh, shows up on the camera now. Green. They show up black on the other website. See, you know, at the end of me showing you guys this, there's gonna be
You just heard Stone Balancing from Plasma. Next up is something fresh from Cyberper6 and Bobo the Outlaw called Every Day Should Be Like This. You're with Penny, and this is Track Train Play.
It takes time to crack a pearl, that's alright. It just makes that jewel look more desirable.
Hey, yo!
Now why can't every day be like this? Smoke a J at the beach like this. Hang with Bay at the beach like this. Conversations with Keish like this. Never thought it could be like this. Be the man like I am like this. Dance around, shake your hips like this. Mess around, make a hit like now why can't every day be like this? Smoke a J at the beach like this. Hang with Bay at the beach like this. Conversations with Keish like this. Never thought it could be like this. Be the man like I am like this. Dance around, shake your hips like this. Mess around, make a hit. Why can't every day be like this? Smoke a J at the beach like this. Hang with Bay at the beach like this. Conversations with Keish like this. Never thought it could be like this. Be the man like I am like this. Dance around, shake your hips like this. Mess around, make a hit like now.
You're listening to Track Train Play.
in the cut. Getting hot in the motherfucker, niggas know what's up. I'm that gangster, gangster. Is that what they're still yelling? Nigga G to a T, sagging and bailing. Live by the gun, you know what I'm saying, Ren? So I guess I'll die about that motherfucker then. So when I die, niggas bury me. Make sure my shit reads easy motherfucking E. And it's a fact.
You're ready on the right. You're ready on the left.
Sporadic, let's get dramatic, cause I'm new with no static. I'm new with no static. Cause here's a smirk from a pro that shots. I put two hands together.